Diversity to how to maintain gutters that have the mesh wiring over them. They work good if you maintain them. They're good at keeping the leaves out of your gutters, but you end up having this dirt buildup. You're going to end up with a potted plant all the way around your house because the dirt's going to be so thick, you're going to have a garden growing in your gutters. These gutters, I was cleaning out. It took a long time because of the mesh was in the way, and I had to actually lift some of it up to get to the mud. Some of the downspouts were just thick with mud. You couldn't even bang on them to loosen it up. I had to disassemble one gutter. It was so packed with mud. Disassemble it and knock the mud out of it. But if you're going to have this over your gutters, you have to maintain them. Get a ladder every now and then and get up there and just walk around and have a look. And if it's look like you got dirt there, just take your hose and you can put a little pressure nozzle on it. It's real cheap, and just let it rinse down to the downspouts, and that's going to maintain your gutters. Otherwise, you're going to have a big mess. You think everything's fine because the mesh is there, no leaves. The leaves are just blowing off your roof, and you think that's it, but it's not. Dirt builds up over time, and you can have a mess. Diversity 2, cleaning mesh gutters. All you do is take the pressure nozzle and you can probably, this was a Black & Decker pressure nozzle here on the screen. Just screw off your normal nozzle and put this one on. Or sometimes your normal nozzle, if you got enough force to it coming out, even when you rotate it, it's got different settings. It probably worked too, but this one worked really well. Just had one hole and had a trigger on it, and it gave more force to give the water more force to push this mud out. I had to go over this over and over again to get the mud pushed down from one end to the other end of the gutters to actually get this mud to flush out. I think it took about 3 hours total. This house was just a single level house, and had to go all the way around, and the mud was so thick because of lack of maintenance. Diversity 2, how to clean mesh gutters. This is what's it's been clogged up for a long time. I used the water hose under had a lot of pressure to it. It still wouldn't push this down. And I banged on the gutter with my hand, with my fist, to knock some of it out, and it still got jammed. So I had to disassemble the gutter to get this stuff out.